Are you looking for how to fix Instagram app not opening, Instagram not working, Instagram bug problem, Instagram glitch problem? In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram app not opening, why Instagram is not working. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, update Instagram if available any update, or search for VPN, install any VPN. Now go to settings, then go to apps or application management, then go to see all apps. Now search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, delete. Now connect VPN, connect location to United States. Now open Instagram, log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram app not opening, Instagram app not working problem. If this method not working for you, go to Play Store, uninstall current version of Instagram app, and go to Google Chrome, search for Instagram older version, download any install older version. After completing the download, install older version Instagram app. Now open Instagram app, log into your account. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram app not opening, Instagram app not working, Instagram bug problem, Instagram glitch problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Namaskar.